Oh, hey, how's it going there, guys? RC Doctor here. Today, we have a new body for the Losi LMT. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take these Allens. It's a 2 millimeter. You have one here, here, 2 up top, 2 in the rear, and then on the other side there's 2 more as well. And just like that. Let's get up a little closer. Now let's get to the rear of the vehicle. We got 2 Allens. We have to take these out. And we're gonna have to take this cage, the back part of the cage off. I wanna try and run it like that. See how, I think it looks better not having the bars stick out and have to cut up my body. If you guys are looking to get an RC car, there'll be a link in the description to Amain Hobbies. They're the best hobby store online. And now basically, I'm just trying to center up the body. That looks pretty good to me. And then mark where my holes are. And then on the other side, I'm gonna get them as well. Then we'll get to painting this bad boy. I scuffed up the surface of the body. And I also washed it with soap and water just to make sure it's all nice and clean. Gonna first go with the orange. Well, upon bashing, we instantly needed to do a little RC doctoring. I put these washers on here because it got ripped out. I think the key to that is to cut all this out so it doesn't get ripped on
when I'm doing the wheelies.